than I was too, so it made up real good.
Yeah, it's really hard to see from here.
Yep.
I think this is about the spot. Oh yeah, feel the wind.
Hilliard traffic, Skyhawk 1100, left base for runway 36, touch and go, Hilliard.
You don't have to call what you're going to do at all, ever.
Okay.
And if you do want to do it, just do it once on final.
Your seatbelt's good. Please check your seatbelts,
I
car
got
feet.
mine.
We're going to try to do the thing.
All right, just do it on final so people don't have to hear, you know, on downwind base, final.
Okay. Especially when there's no traffic. But I know it's helpful to know what everybody else is doing.
Yeah, like I said, I'm final. Like, no, when you're on base, nobody gives a shit. You know, what you're going to be doing. On base. You're flying base. That's all I care about.
Hilliard traffic, Skyhawk 1100, final, runway 36, Hilliard.
See the tractor?
Oh, yeah, he's fine. I see some flash on the right side of the runway.
That's an airplane.
It's an airplane. That's a yellow Cub.
Oh my goodness. Alright, so I'm high, but I'm okay with that this time.
Okay, well.
Probably just going to do a low approach because I don't like
No, you're good. You're slow is your problem.
Yeah.
So let's get the nose down. Okay, now don't go higher. Get the power down. Get the power off. You got to get the power. Power. You got to come down.
Oh my God.
Power's all the way up. Oh, I got the controls. Just the bumpies. Here, hold that for me. Thank you. Colorful, huh?